Hello everyone, we are going to take a look at Learn Python the Hard Way, a book that covers Python 3. And we're going to go through the book chapter by chapter and focus on the different exercises in those books. You can actually read the book for free, at least the first couple of chapters and exercises, by going to this URL, which will also be linked in the description down below. Now, if we take a look at the contents, we have around 52 exercises here in total that we are going to go through, but we're going to start at the beginning, which an introduction to the book itself. The hard way is easier. And here, just to get started, some basic instructions on how to work through this book. First of all, we should go through each exercise, each of the 52 separate exercises, and type in each of these files exactly as the examples are stating, and then make it run. So that's a general approach here taken in this book. And there are actually 3 essential skills that we are going to focus on as part of the book. So at first, the reading and writing section, then attention to detail and spotting differences. So it's really important when learning to code in Python to be able to read and write the code, of course, so typing in the problems itself, the code itself, and to execute it. Important there, of course, is attention to detail, so that we focus on the details when typing in the code, typing it in exactly as stated, so we do not make any mistakes, and cover that specifically. And then the third important section here is spotting differences, so that we can see any differences in the parts of the code, so it's clear that what the code does and we do not make any mistakes there. Then an important part here is the section Ask, Don't Stare. So if anything is unclear in the code, we shouldn't just stare at the code itself, but basically ask ourselves how we can address and fix those issues there. And there will also be some questions that the author asks in the text itself to make it clear on how to basically fix these issues, how to debug basically the code and fix the bugs or issues that we may encounter. And of course, we should make sure to type in the code, not to copy and paste any information. So the book itself covers the separate exercises we can perform, and then it's important to type in and actually do the exercises so that we cover the important parts, and also that we build up some muscle memory when working through those exercises. The author recommends that we practice every day for at least 1 to, or better, 2 hours per day to build up the skill over time. So even if we have a bad day and it doesn't go as planned, we should still be consistent, work on it each and every day, and then we're going to improve over time. And so we build up the skill, and once we work through the book, we have a good foundation and can build on top with additional books, additional resources in terms of learning Python. So that's the introduction for the book. In the next video, we're going to get started working through those exercises. So see you soon in the next video.